TM2520 Ultra High Pressure Water Jetting Unit Operation Guide. Before operation, first connect the water inlet hose using the hose clamp. Install the anti-whip steel safety cable and burst protection sleeve onto the outlet hose. Safety accessories installation completed. Connect the outlet hose fitting. Before connection, apply anti-seize compound to the screws. After tightening, secure it with the retaining clip. The finished connection is as pictured. The spray gun hose connection is the same as shown above. Finally, connect the water supply hose. Then open the water valve. Water flows directly into the tank. It then passes through the bottom pipeline to the filter for secondary filtration. This is the filter and pressure gauge. Open the main electrical cabinet. Turn the main breaker clockwise to switch it on. Check whether the cooling fan at the rear of the cabinet is operating. Turn on the main power switch. Wait for 10 seconds. After startup, the system enters the main operating interface. Press booster pump on. The booster pump starts running. Observe the inlet water pressure. The value is displayed simultaneously on the display panel. Then press main unit on. The main unit starts operating. From top to bottom, the displayed parameters are: on the left side, from top to bottom, the plus and minus buttons on the screen are used to adjust the operating frequency. Tap the frequency value to quickly enter any desired setting. Use the adjustment buttons to change the frequency 0.1 Hz per adjustment. For shutdown, first press main unit off. Wait for the machine to complete the shutdown buffer process. After the main unit comes to a complete stop, turn off the booster pump. For first-time operation, or when there is no water inside the system, or after replacing the filter element, remember to open the air release valve. When the machine starts, water may overflow from the top outlet. When the water tank system starts, water will spray out instantly.